Excel files. Example, let's see sales IBM, my experience. Okay, we will do the practice of on this data. I will share you after that whenever we will complete that practice. Okay,
Okay.
so this data first we will learn the like first we will read the like what is the given in this data and what can we do it in this data for data. So okay, little bit
Okay.
idea I will give you for data analysis purpose and MIS executive purpose. Okay, so first it is coming the like serial number. Serial number you have also know like why we are using the serial number. Serial number using the like any product ID based serial wise and number counting. Here is there already 1 2 3 4 5. If you want to like any life sciences class in education, you want to give the one. Where is given the one life sciences class, then we will remark put the serial number only one. Okay, and any
Okay.
other is coming two under. That's why right now we have given the example. So right now we have bracket only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, for dummy purpose. So first second is giving first name and last name. Okay, then third is given education many option is there. Fourth is giving job roles. Say seventh is giving department ID. And next one is gender, male to female based on how many males is there, how many females is there. Then we will do the analysis based on males and females. How to males like participate in this like any like business travel, really travel. How to females, that's we can cover in this topics. Okay, little bit pivot table and advanced topics. So that what is marital status. A single married divorced also is there. Yearly income, what is the income of life science and sales executives and monthly incomes. Okay, they are, this is dummy data. And this is the three uh, sales, business travels, department and hire date. Okay, this is data already. And this way I will did the some like something of, if I will click on this, maybe this will okay, click on this, it will come here, new data copy. I will click here, then he will go, it go here. And if I will go down and click here, home page is there. If we will click the any files, e-samples, extra material, new data, home page, additional, we want to go to extra material, then we will click here, it will go extra material. We will click here, back to home page, then back to home page. We want to click additional links, additional link is there here. Okay, we can involve with our YouTube and also and all things we can cover it in there. And e-samples here is there, then we will do the hyperlink based on e-samples, we will go directly. Okay, understood.
Okay.
So this will cover in this classes.
Yeah.
You have
Okay.
already idea in
It is
that.
very interesting.
This is data analysis,
No,
not
no, I
like
don't have any
education.
idea on that.
You have already idea.
No, no, I don't have idea on it.
Okay, then you will take enjoy in this point topics. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, also you are or you level you have aware of this how to make it tables and how to make it the conditions. So this is data also is there in right side is coming, male sum female sum is also there here. Okay, here we will click back to home page, back to home page. This will try in this class, but it will not class like in this class. I will guide you basic things, and next advanced thing we will cover second days, and maybe it will take a 2 and 3 days in this class. Okay, so these things are there also. We will delete the first of all, delete all things, control A. We will remove the for like pair formattings. color insert table is not there. We will select the tables. We will go to insert tab. First we will do the analysis on pivot tables. Okay, first we can convert in this from table to in the from range into convert in the tables. Then we will click here, then it will range into convert in this new sheet, otherwise existing sheet we want to new sheet. Then we can click here, then this table will convert into like pivot table it is coming under. Okay, understood.
Yeah, got
So
it.
we want to first you will type the question and you can define it both like. Okay, like we want to how many percentage there is the like how many single is there, how many uh, like how many percentage single there, how many divorced and how many marriage is single status there, we can cover in this. Okay, so first we will take the like we can take it any department id, we can take it, we will take a department id here. Okay, only four department id is there. So next thing we will do it marital status. Marital status we can do it also here. uh, First thing we will do here, this can keep it, and second thing we will do here. Okay, this is come. We want to take this one count of how many divorced, how percentage, how many single percentage, how many like to married percentage, we will cover in this part. Total it is how many it is coming, 1470. Then what will we do, we will do divide by this one, and also we can track it, this one we can fix it, b7 b7 fix it I find. Okay, this type you have done many times, like in classes many times you have done this one type of points. Okay, total we can type it here, total, understood. But this total it is not coming under this pivot table. Whenever we have requirement total here is went, if by chance we will delete this one data, total will not come here. You are getting it my points, when we are covering the points, understood.
Yeah, I got it.
This
Yes, got it.
if I will type manually here total. Okay,
Yeah, okay.
totally we will type here totals, and we will go and divide by this one, divide by this one, anything we can divide it. After that we will drag here, we will anything we will do here, anything this column it is not coming under the like pivot table. Okay, and next thing we can do it
Hmm.
simple, like manually we will go click here like total and type here, we will do it will take like too much time.
Yeah,
Are you getting it, it is taking too much
yeah,
time.
getting.
Then what we will do, we will do one thing, we will click here, we will go to power pivot analyze, we will click here field set and field items and sets. Okay, this is the like advanced to advanced topics. Okay, if you will cover
Hmm.
here, then problem will not come in your future classes, understood. We will
Okay.
click here, we will go to calculate fields. Then if you will do here any you will do here like total, you will type it here. If you will click here, then it comes like marital status, it is coming here. And next things what we will do, and we can do it Sales we can take it, count, this much is there. This point we will cover later. First we can do it, marital status we can leave it. Education, first name, department ID, only 4 is there. Then department, first name we can take it in rows. First name we can take it, okay, and last name we can also take it. Education we can also take it, and yearly income, monthly income, okay, and sales we will take it. This will table, this is coming, but this table it is not coming under formatting, okay. Here is coming name, after that is like life science, it is coming in under one rows. What will we do? We will do, we will click here, go to, we will use only directly like shortcut here, otherwise we can go pivot table analysis, okay. Then we will go here, option, display, classic, okay, okay, getting it, what is
Yeah,
it?
getting it.
Please,
I
can you
don't,
repeat that one particular point?
I will repeat, I will repeat.
Okay.
Of row and columns and repeat all labels, okay. Now here is coming first name and last name and education sum of amount, all is coming into format, okay. Okay, this one you want to repeat it again, point we will cover again. You like you have understood from here how to take it the pivot table.
Yes, yes.
Are you aware of this? Otherwise we will click here again, okay. Control A, go to insert tab, go to pivot, go to from table from range, select whatever you want range, you can click it. If you want existing, you can existing. If you want new sheet, then go to new sheet. If you want add the data models, add this model, we will cover it next part. First we will go pivot table, click OK. Then we want to first name, okay, we want to last name in pivot table, and we want to like job roles, and next we want to gender, and next like yearly incomes, monthly incomes, sales. Sales, okay, 1 minute. Yearly income, and this is, it is coming like dummy type of data, it is coming like brush data, it is coming, it is not visible data. If I will show anywhere, if I will uh, take this data and I will go my manager, if I will go my any colleagues, I will go in many meetings, it will not visible for like properly. It is coming Amod, Radwan, research, female, all is coming one to one. So this data I want to take it properly way in this pivot table. So what will we do? We will go to, whenever we will click in the pivot table, then it will be option automatic will come pivot table analysis and designs, okay. Then pivot table analysis we will cover in the option, will go option, and if you will go display and set the classic table layout and okay, understood. Right now uh, same it is coming data, it is not visible data, is it is already coming in the column by separately distributed, but it is this data, it is not coming properly visible. Then next time we will go in like design tab, we will do not subtotals like of row and columns, repeat all items, where is blanks it will cover into repeat all items, okay. So this will, we will select three options, and next things we have, what we will do, it is coming like some of the year income, sum of the monthly income, sum of the sales. We can set it here accordingly. Okay, if you want to take the name, we will click 2 times here, and total yearly income we will set here. Total yearly income. Okay, we will set the name. It is coming something, it is like we cannot define it. We want only like short name, that's a client can understand all things. So total monthly income, we will set it. Click 2 times, go to total sales. Then same point we are covering that right now. This sale is coming. If I will like we want to how much sales in monthly income they are giving. It is coming to how much sale, 1 lakh 20 like 1 lakh 23. It is coming something 10,023. It is coming sales, and we are giving the how much amount in monthly income, 4,556, and total income yearly 54,672. But what we want, like how much percent in sales we are giving right now, in paying to research of data research scientist. So what will we do? We will do one things. First we will do this one and minus that one. Okay, but this point I will add here, I will drag here manually. I am defining you. I will difference, I want to difference, but this point it is not coming under pivot table. Okay, whenever this sheet will delete. Okay, but pivot automatically will reflect it here, but data will not come difference. So this type, what we will do, we will do one things. We will go here, we will go pivot table analysis. We will click here, there. Field item sales and calculation part is there. Okay, field item sales and sets, and here we will click calculates, and we want to whatever we want to like total monthly income and sales difference. Understood? We will click here, we will select, first we will select sales, insert field, we will click here insert field, minus, we can click, and here we will click here monthly income insert. We will click here add, and we will go to for OK. It is also reflecting. Understood? We can sort it same thing names. Total